Batas International Media. www.batasmedia.com. From the Philippines to the world, for the glory of God and service to mankind.
Bagong alyansang tagapagtaguyod ng adhikaing sambayanan.
Plantation of Aquabest, okay, because they're actually the ones sponsoring the drinks for my medical mission tomorrow, and of course it's going to be with the SM Foundation. It's going to be held at Alman's covered court, and that's beside LSM South Mall in Las Vegas. So let's go and have some chats with these people, because I'm going to go and get some I'm gonna go and ask if they have a tarpaulin, because we just got the bottles of water that they gave for sponsor. Hello! And of course their endorser is Gabi Concepcion. Hello! And here's how they make the water and everything. Is there? Is the way how they put on the bottles and the containers and everything. Here we are. Okay. Salamat. Thank you po. So, bukas na lang daw? Bukas na lang?
Tawag po na magdadala sa amin.
Bukas. Okay, good. Sabi sa boss, thank you so much. Thank you. Salamat po. Okay. Aquabest. Thank you so much, Aquabest, for sponsoring our medical mission and dental mission tomorrow. You're great. You are very generous to support us. All right, I'm actually on the way to Almanza Covered Court, because right now we're gonna have the medical and dental mission, and of course with the partnership of SM Foundation. With my candy. At this point, I'd like to thank our sponsors, and these are the Aquabest for sponsoring the bottled drinks, Aquabest bottled drinks, bottled water I should say, and of course Chowking for the food, and of course Mr. Mark Tan,
kaya mga tricycle driver,
and of course
tricycle.
I'd also like to thank all the nurses, the doctors, and everybody who actually volunteered, who are volunteering for this medical mission. So we're gonna find out later who are they. And of course, to Sir Bob Navida, thank you so much. Thank you. Because of you, my medical mission became possible. So, I would like to extend my thanks and gratitude once again. And hopefully this is not going to be the first, because I know that we're still going to have a lot of medical and dental missions upcoming, okay? To all my friends in Facebook and YouTube, I'd like to ask you if you can donate, if you can spare, or if you can share some of your support and donations. Please don't hesitate to do so, because through your help and donations, we can actually help a lot of people. We can save a lot of lives, and most especially here in the Philippines. Not all in the Philippines, but of course because I'm also involved with Better Globe, which is a Norwegian company, and Better Globe is actually involved in different countries throughout the world actually. So I'm encouraging everybody to support also Better Globe, because this is a way to save the environment, because we are planting trees, and we're saving also the future, and at the same time saving the people, and saving the planet, saving the earth, saving the world, saving the universe. And of course to those who help us in preparing the food, thank you so much. Yaya, to Toto, Marlon, thank you very much, and of course Nina and Henry. Alright, and to the US brothers, because they're gonna be the volunteers later, so let's gonna find out who are the members who actually volunteered today. Okay? So see you guys later. Mwah.
The President and the Board of Directors of Mystica Charity Foundation do hereby present this Humanitarian Award of Excellence with all the honors, rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining. Signed, Ruby Rose Villanueva Aka Mystica, the President and Founder, and of course, the Project Director, Niña Vanessa Pamitan Sarandi. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin ang SM Foundation. And I would like to have Dr. Rory Chasamo to come here, please, and receive this certificate of excellence, award of excellence. Ayun. Okay, kung meron po, ayun, Doctor is very busy at this point. So, I would like to ask Mr. Bob Navida, if he's available. Ayun po, Mr. Bob Navida, may I request you to come and receive this certificate, Humanitarian Award of Excellence, please, coming from Mystica Charity Foundation. Alright, and of course, yeah, through the help of Mr. Bob Navida, and he was very, very generous enough to say yes to my request, because without him, I wouldn't be able to tie up with SM Foundation. So thank you so much, and I would like you to say something, please. Well, a lot of things, please.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagpapag-avail ng ating free medical services. And of course, kay Miss Mystica, sa Mystica Charity Foundation, lagi magpapili naman ang magagawa natin ito kung walang tulong ng lahat ng mga organisasyon at mga agencies, particularly yung ating barangay. Maraming salamat sa pagpipili ng venue, sa support ng ating mga mayor, kaya pinayang yung ating DSWD at sa Secret Office. Kung hindi ko man mag-mention yung iba, alam mo po na bahagi kayo ng pag-apply ng medical and dental industry. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bob Navida. Okay. Well, at least, mga kaibigan, dahil po sa kanya, siya po yung dahilan kung bakit ako nandito. Of course, I hope nandito pa po ang representative po ng Chowking. Hindi ko po alam kung umalis na po sila or they'll come back later kasi mamaya po nila ibigay po yung kanilang opo. I'm sure na wala pa po sila. So, anyway, at ganoon din po ang Aquabest. Nandito pa rin po ba ang Aquabest? Or, okay. Alright, Mystica Charity Foundation Incorporated with Very World Marketing Philippines Incorporated and Citizens Canvas Very World Task Force and Rescue Team, being known that Aquabest having honorably fulfilled all the valuable contributions in the field of medical and dental mission on this 9th day of August 2011 at Almanza Covered Court, Almanza Uno, Alabang Sabores Road, Las Piñas City. The President and Board of Directors of Mystica Charity Foundation will hereby present this Humanitarian Award of Excellence with all the honors, rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining. Signed, Ruby Rose Villanueva Aka Mystica, the President
sana yung mga project na ganito, sana maging tuloy-tuloy pa at maging success para sa ating mga kababayan. Hanggang sa Las Piñas, marami kami franchise dito. Ako kasi siguro maging 15 almost dito. Kung gusto nyo order, maraming branches dito. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat. And of course, pakiparating na rin sa lahat po ng mga boss o kaya lahat po ng mga executives ng Kakabest. Thank you so much for your full support. You are very generous enough to give us the sponsorship water. Nakikita nyo si Gabi Concepcion. Pag si Gabi Concepcion ang nakikita nyo, that means Kakabest po. Yan, di po ba? Alright, on behalf of the Musica Charity Foundation, I'd also like to thank Better Globe because Better Globe Marketing Philippines Incorporated is actually a branch of Better Globe from Kenya because we have the Better Globe first right there. And it's actually a Norwegian company who wanted to eradicate poverty in Africa, but since they had an idea of coming to the Philippines as well, and they wanted to help also the Filipino people, and that's also the reason that they were able to find somebody on my person. I'm actually the managing director of Better Globe Marketing Philippines Incorporated in the Philippines, and Better Globe is a tool for us to do some fundraising because we actually ask donors or sponsors to donate some trees. So for everything that we're going to donate to Mapalad, it's actually a forestry in Montalban with the barangay Macabud. So we actually plant some holly trees right there and some plants as well. And of course, some plants are also being planted in Kenya, Africa. And of course, some parts of their donations, they're actually giving to Musica Charity Foundation. And that's also the reason why I'm giving all these missions or whatever I can do. Feeding missions, dental or medical missions, livelihood programs, and other programs that we could come up with later on. And with the help of all my friends also on YouTube and Facebook, here's just a start, okay? I'm sure that there's going to be a lot more programs, or I'm sure there's going to be a lot more medical and dental missions, and of course, through the help and support, and through the partnership of SM Foundation, we can make all things possible. I know that there's a lot of people already texting me or emailing me or asking me on Facebook that they want to have some medical attention also. So, we can only manage once, one at a time. I'm sure that there's going to be a lot more. And we're going to be here, okay? Nothing is impossible. As long as we have the unity with everybody, of course, with SM Foundation, once again, really, we can make things possible. It's really hard, if me myself, I really wanted to do a lot. I really wanted to do a lot more, whatever I can, but I can't do it all alone. And this is a great example that I managed to come up with this, with partnership with SM Foundation. That's why it's really very important for everybody to know and to learn that through the power of every NGOs or any organization, as long as they are willing to help any other organization, we can actually come up with something like this. So it's really very, very powerful. And of course, with the help of our Lord, it's very important also for us, for everybody to know that without the guidance and supervision of our Lord, nothing can happen like this as well. Because, a lot of us has been wondering, how can we make everybody happy or